So okay, good day, welcome back to our channel, and if you're new, please do like and subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you get updated every time that I post a video regarding to the market. So let's talk about Bitcoin for today. It is Sunday today, so market has no volume for a while. But if we try to look in this structure, so let's try to hide. So this is the last swing high. So basically, it is not totally visible, but if you are keen to uh, looking to the price here from the last swing high, it has reached around 44,691, and the last low, or the last higher low or lower high, is $44,486. The market dropped below 40,233. Now the market has retraced above here, so it is valid to retrace here 44,499, and it can drastically drop, but around here in this area it is already valid. As you can see, I have placed a um, parallel horizontal box here, and the market has reached, actually this is a fair value gap. It is an unhealthy structure candle, so the market has managed to uh, revisit the said fair value gap or the unhealthy candle. It is because this is a huge volume here, huge liquidity that needs to mitigate and remove from the uh, selling cycle or the potential drop. So the market did retrace here, and it is currently showing weakness. It has not break 43,474. As long as it will not break, it will drop. Now what is the next potential target? Will be 39,426, or around here 39,593. I am looking for 39,119, but I am totally looking for, or potentially seeking for 38,000 level, because it has uh, it is a previous resistance that has been breached and pumped, or make it did have a rally here after it breaks. So now it is a support area. So as you can see, we have a price action here. There's 4 price action here, so the potential thing to happen will drop here 38,000. As you can see as well, there are many order block that are potential guard to this area, so this area is very hard to break. Now if ever this area get wrecked, this area, if all of this order block is break, or it will breach below, then the potential price will be the 32,000 here, 32,000 to make it more safe, place your target to 32,519. But the ideal target is 32,063. So that is the potential target. So potentially December, it will be a bloody Christmas, I think. But if ever market will hold this, as you can see, I put as well a level here. So this is a retest area. If we see a rejection here, then we might check another pump, but until when or until where? So as you can see, this is an old old label that I placed. So the market did pump, but it is attempting to revisit the trend line again. So this is the parallel channel. I am still looking for this parallel channel. So if ever the market will breach here and drop, then that's the signal that the market is aiming for something lower than 40k. So keep an eye in this area. This can be a liquidity. So equal low. This is a liquidity. So market can revisit here or mitigate the liquidity, then pump. Or worst case scenario, the market will break the trend line, retest. If ever it will reject by the bears, then the market will drop. Then it will aim the liquidity. So retest, drop, aim the liquidity. If ever the market is strong on selling, the selling pressure is very strong, the market will revisit 38,000 until 37,791 based on the 1 hour chart, and it will pump hard. So if we change the time frame to 4 hour, so as you can see, order block is placed to 38,804. Now if we change it into a daily time frame, which most of the institution or the market makers are using, the daily chart and the 4 hour chart, they are looking for this order block. So 37,660. So this is a high potential to revisit, guys. Okay, so it is a high potential to revisit, and it is also a healthy retracement for Bitcoin. It can still also revisit here. As you can see, there's a fair value gap here. So this is a continuation pattern. Continuation pattern. So yeah, that's it. Keep an eye on this trend line. Put your parallel trend line or parallel channel here. So this is an upper trend line and the lower trend line. So put your parallel channel, mark it here. Okay, so that you will know when the market can retest or can bounce. Okay, so it will bounce here, somewhere here, but if the selling pressure is strong, then the market might drop, retest, drop, break, retest, drop, revisit 38k. If ever the potential, if ever the 38k is the target, then drop, retest, break the lower trend line, break, hit the 38k, retest, manage to bring back the price into the inside the parallel channel, then the market will back to 50k, 48k. Now if ever the market will not manage to hold the price 38k, then the 32k is highly possible. But for now, let's monitor the 38k level, and the current price as well is the 40. Keep an eye on 40k. So 40k, keep eye on 40k, 38k, then the last is 30k, 32k. Worst case scenario, if 32k won't hold, then I don't know what will happen next. It might revisit in this order block below 25, and we still have this fair value gap. So if ever you are so bearish to the market, then you can ride along from this is actually the peak, so it is still good for short. If you are very bearish to the market, then you can still ride the drop if you are really bearish to the market. So we have still target here 32k, 23k. We still have 21k. We still have this is not valid. So this is the only unhealthy structure here below 21k and 23k. So this is the valid. So yeah, so if we change the structure to, what the heck, we change the structure to weekly. So the weekly time frame, it is a rising wedge. Wait, is it a rising wedge? No, it is not a rising wedge. So we can put a trend line here, and we can also put a trend line here. So this can also be a potential bouncing area or support area, upper support and lower support. But let's check if ever this will hold, but I'm not pretty sure if this trend line will hold, so I will not I'm gonna remove it. Let's I will rely on horizontal support and resistance in this case scenario. But the market, I am looking for this harmonic pattern. So this is an harmonic pattern. Market did manage to retrace to our 50%. As you can see, we hit the 50%. Market managed to hit above 50%. So this is the 50%. Is 50% is 42k. Some bearish trader trade the market 42k, but the stop loss of them got hit, and market did manage to pump to 44k. Now the 44k guys, I think they've shorted the market, then they are in running profit. But until when, we don't know yet. But all I can see in 4-hour time frame, we have it is a Quasimodo pattern. So it is we have a chalk here, we have a change of character here. This is a Quasimodo pattern. So last swing high, drop, and revisit here, and this is the good entry for short. Now what will happen is revisit to 38k. So if ever I trade this, I'm shorting this market from here. Set my stop loss here and target 38k. Now if you are a high risk trader, or you manage your leverage and margin pretty well, you can aim for 32k if you want, but it is very hard to break this order block, I think, because each block might create a reaction pump. Once the order block got hit, it will pump, it will pump, it will pump. Okay, but the more order block will break, the more order block breaks, the weaker it will be. Okay, so let's say this will be the last order block, then it I cannot assure that it will hold, since the 4 order block is break or got broken. So this also a potential target. 32k is a potential target, but the uh, safer exit is 38k. Once you hit the 38k, you can set your stop loss, change your stop loss, your stop profit. So you can change your stop profit here. So that will be it. You have no stop loss at all. You're already in a running profit. Your running profit here. So this stop loss is no longer needed, since you are securing your profit from 38k. But you still wish to continue to 32k, then it's up to you. Okay, so that will be it, and hope you enjoyed the video. Please do like and subscribe, and chill.